In a striking move that has caught the attention of investors, a director has recently poured over $1 million into an energy stock that has entered correction territory. This bold investment decision raises questions about the underlying value of the stock and what it might mean for potential investors. In this report, we will explore companies that have seen notable insider trading activity in the public market, focusing on both direct and indirect ownerships, including accounts that insiders control or direct. It's important to note that the transactions listed here reflect insider activity, but do not provide a complete picture of total ownership, as insiders may have multiple accounts. When analyzing insider transactions, it's crucial to understand that buying activity often indicates a belief in the stock's value. Conversely, selling activity can be more complex. It may not always relate to the stock's valuation.
For instance, an insider might sell shares to meet personal financial needs or to manage tax implications when exercising options and rights. Therefore, it's essential to consider the total holdings of an insider, as a sale could be relatively insignificant if they still maintain a substantial position in the company. Additionally, I pay close attention to insider trading patterns, especially when multiple insiders are involved in buying or selling shares. Observing whether an insider's investment in the company is increasing or decreasing can also provide valuable insights. Now, let's take a closer look at two companies where insiders have recently made purchases in the public market. Advantage Energy Ltd, AAVT. On August 18th, Director Daniel Farb made a significant investment by acquiring 125,000 shares at a price of $7.542 each. This purchase increased his holdings in this account to a total of 362,600 shares. The overall value of this investment surpassed $1 million Canadian dollars, amounting to approximately $942,000, not including any commission fees. To put this in perspective, the share price was $12.68 on June 20th, but it has since dropped by over 10%, placing the stock firmly in correction territory. BSR Real Estate Investment Trust, HOMUNT, between August 15th and 19th, trustee Graham Senst invested around $124,000 in BSR units. He bought a total of 10,000 units at an average price of about $12.41 each, which raised his position in this account to 125,801 units. Now, let's shift our focus to two stocks where insiders have recently sold shares in the public market. Alamos Gold Inc. On August 21st, Scott Parsons, the Senior Vice President of Corporate Development and Investor Relations, exercised his options to acquire 19,000 shares at a cost of $6.58 each. He then sold these shares at a price of $38.597 each, leaving him with 59,604 shares in this account. The net proceeds from this transaction exceeded $608,000, excluding any transaction fees. Ballard Power Systems Inc., BLDPT. On August 12th, Randy McEwen sold a substantial 698,215 shares at an average price of approximately $2.38. After this sale, his account still held 391,887 shares. The total proceeds from this transaction amounted to over $1.6 million, not accounting for trading fees. It's worth noting that Mr. McEwen stepped down from his role as president and CEO of the company in July, which adds another layer of complexity to this insider activity. As we analyze these insider transactions, it's clear that they can provide valuable insights into the company's prospects. But what do you think? Do you believe insider buying is a strong indicator of a stock's potential? Or do you think selling activity can sometimes signal deeper issues? Share your thoughts in the comments below.